We can use the COUNTIF function to count the number of cells that meet a criterion. Let's say we want to find the number of customers from the city of Amsterdam. First, we select the cell where we want that information to be entered. We start with our equal sign. Then we have the function COUNTIF. Press on tab and the parenthesis opens up. Now when we look at the syntax, there are two parameters needed for the COUNTIF function. The range is where Excel should search, and the criteria is what Excel is searching for. For us, the range is within the city column. We have a comma. What do we want Excel to search for? We want Excel to search for the city, Amsterdam. We have two options here. We can either type in the city, Amsterdam, close the parenthesis, and enter. Now we know that we have 5 customers from the city of Amsterdam. If we need to change the criteria frequently, we can have Excel extract the value from a selected cell. I'm going to go back to the formula, and instead of typing Amsterdam, we can simply select the cell that contains the value. So we select this cell. Now when we enter, we get our value. But the beauty of this is now if we change the city to Toronto and enter, we can see that the value changes automatically. Let's say we change it to Harare and enter, we get the value changes automatically as well. We can also use the COUNTIF function to compare values. We can find the number of customers less than or greater than a specific age. We select the range. We open up a double quote, close our double quote, close the parenthesis. We get the value. We can also make the function dynamic by selecting the cell that contains the criteria. For us, that will be G3. Let's go back to the formula. Now, when comparing values, just referencing cell G3 is not enough. To make this work, first, I'm going to delete the value 30. We keep the less than symbol within the quote, and what we want to do is use the %, then select the cell. Now when we press enter, that would work. And now if we change this value to say less than 45, we can see that our result changes. Instead of less than, if we want to change this to greater than, we can do that as well. And we can see that the value is 0 because we don't have any customer with the age greater than 45. Let's change this to 25. And we see the result changes.